Hello! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and configure a new data file in AvanTax eForms, as well as showing you how to convert a data file from a previous year. To create a new data file, from the Start page of eForms, under 1, Data File, click Create New Data File. Once the file browser pops up, in the File Name field, enter a name for your new data file. After you've given your data file a name, click Save. Once eForms is finished processing, the name of your data file will show up in Open Existing Data File. To configure your current data file, navigate to 3, Forms and Data, and click Enable and Disable Forms. You may also go to the toolbar, click File, and then Configure Data File. On the Configure Data File screen, select the slips you will be using and click the Configure Data File button. For this example, I will be adding the AGR1. Once you click Configure Data File, eForms will pop up a message to let you know that it's going to back up your current data file before it adds the selected forms. Click OK to continue. eForms will now initiate a backup. To complete the backup, click Finish. Once the backup is complete, click Close. A pop-up will show that eForms is configuring the data file, and upon completion, a message will pop up that says the data file has configured successfully. Click OK to close this message, and click the X to close this window. To convert a data file from a previous year, under 1, Data File, click Convert from Previous Year. A message will pop up asking if you would like to open a data file from a previous year. Click OK to continue. When the file browser opens, use it to navigate to the location of your previous year's data file. Select the data file and click Open. eForms will now give you options for where you want to save your converted data file, as well as other advanced conversion options, such as initializing fields. Once you have selected your appropriate options, click the green Convert button. After eForms finishes the conversion, the data file name will show up in Open Existing Data File. Thank you for watching this AvanTax eForms QuickHelp video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.